The history of two ummahs, two Muslim ummahs. The former Muslim ummah, Bani Israel. The present Muslim ummah, the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. No mention of any other ummah in the Quran. Because before Torah, no law was given to humanity. This is the first law given to humanity. The commandments, the do's and don'ts. And we know of Hazrat Nuh, Hazrat Hud, Hazrat Saleh. The same story repeated. Messenger was sent. The people, the nation to whom they were sent, by and large, rejected them. Whole nations wiped out. People of Saleh, people of Shu'aib, the two cities of Sodom and Amorah, to which Hazrat Lut was sent, all wiped out. But not book. The first book that was revealed is Torah. And it contained law. And on the basis of Torah, that ummah was founded. For 2,000 years, this ummah occupied the position of the representative of Allah on earth. Books after books coming to them. The chain of the prophets never broke for even a second for 1,300 or 1,400 years. Just imagine. Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Harun, both of the prophets. And this chain ended again with two prophets, Hazrat Masih or Hazrat Yahya. Kullama halaka nabiyyun khalafahu nabiyyun. The affairs of Bani Israel were always in the hands of the prophets. Whenever a prophet died, another prophet took his place. He succeeded. But 1,400 years ago, according to the lunar calendar, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was sent. The final word of Allah, the final revelation, the final guidance, the total guidance revealed to him. And then an ummah founded. As we have seen, وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا لِتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ عَلَيْكُمْ شَهِيدًا. And the history that is now going to come, the events, it's a tie between these two ummahs.